One of the main key aspects of building trust is by showing proof. So in last 1 year, back in November 2023, I was down almost 50%. And right now I am up 117%. How did I do it? In this video, I will be sharing 3 books that are must read, 3 ETFs that you should invest in so that your money grow consistently, and 3 cryptocurrency that you must be buying because Donald Trump is right now the president.
Out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world.
And those cryptocurrency will make you a ton of money. Back in 2023, I used to believe instead of reading the whole book about investing, you can just watch a YouTube video. But I was completely wrong. And that's the reason why big successful investors and entrepreneurs says you should read a lot of books.
Just read and read and read. I probably read 5 to 6 hours a day. I don't read as fast now as when
So here's the first book that completely changed my game in investing. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch.
77 to 1990. He managed the Magellan Fund, growing it from, you ready for this, $20 million to $14 billion in 1990 at the time of his retirement. Buy what you know is what Peter taught us.
This is the book for spotting winning stocks before Wall Street catches on. Peter Lynch teaches you how to use your everyday life to find investment ideas like notching which products are trending at your local stores. He says, invest in what you know. And the advice has helped thousands of investors turn small portfolio into massive gains, as you can see the proof that I show you in the beginning. If you ever thought, I don't have insider knowledge, trust me, you don't need it. This book gives you all the insider knowledge that you want. The next book is A Random Walk Down Wall Street. This is a classic, and here's why. Because it breaks all the myths about get-rich-quick schemes in stock market. The author argues that the market is unpredictable in the short term but trends upward over a long period of time. He will introduce you to index funds, diversification, and why timing the market is a losing game. He says in the book, even the expert cannot consistently beat the market. So why not learn how to play the game smarter? Third on the list is The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel. If you are into formulas and strategies, this is the book for you. The author simplifies investing into step-by-step process by his magical formula.
To 2000, the S&P 500 doubled. From 2000 to 2002, it halved. From 2002 to 2007, it doubled. From 2007 to 2009, it halved. And from 2009 to today, it's roughly tripled, which is my way of telling them that people are still crazy.
A straightforward way to identify undervalued stocks with high growth potential. Don't let this simplicity fool you. This formula has made real money for real investors. It's like having a cheat sheet for a long-term investing success. Now we are in the most interesting part of the video on how to invest the real money. I will suggest to invest consistently bi-weekly with a small amount. It could be $100, $200, or maybe $50 into these 3 ETFs so that you don't have to worry about the market timing or any expert skills. You will get your consistent returns and your money will grow consistently. Here's the first ETF, which is DGRO, which is the iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. This one is for you. DGRO invests in companies that consistently increase their dividends. Its holding includes household names like Microsoft and Johnson & Johnson, meaning your money is tied to reliable growing businesses. It has a super low expense ratio of just 0.08%. So you keep more of your profit. Here's the best part. DGRO have gave 24% return in last 1 year. Next on the list is XLK, the Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund, aka the ETF for tech lovers. This fund is packed with the biggest player in tech, including Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and whatnot. If you believe in future of innovations, XLK is your ticker to ride the wave. XLK returns had been incredible. This ETF was able to give 25% over the last 1 year. Here's the third and the last ETF, VONG, Vanguard Russell's 1000 Growth ETF. VONG gave a 30% incredible return in last 1 year, making it one of the top performing ETFs in whole category. Moving on to my 3 favorite cryptocurrencies. On number 1, which is Bitcoin, the OG powerhouse. Bitcoin is the gold standard for crypto, and Trump pro-crypto stance is giving it a serious boost. After election, Bitcoin crossed 80,000, right now maybe 9,000 for the first time ever. With speculation about regulatory clarities and even a potential Bitcoin strategic reserve in the US, Bitcoin remains the fast long-term bet for crypto investors. On number 2 is Ethereum, the backbone of decentralized finance. Trump administration is expected to encourage innovation in blockchain tech, and Ethereum is going to benefit big for this time. With growing adaptation, Ethereum is a must-have for anyone serious about crypto. Plus, ecosystem power over 70% of DeFi projects worldwide. In last 1 year, it has given a 15% return on investment, which is really good. Finally, XPR is making waves again. As the Trump administration pushes for a clear crypto regulation, XPR could emerge as a leader in cross-border payments. In the last quarter, XPR has surged more than 30%. It could easily double if the regulatory changes favors crypto innovations. Maybe you could suggest more better cryptocurrency in comments. So I will suggest to drop some names in the comment sections. If you want to see my portfolios and the stocks that I have already invested in, and there is one stock that grew from $17 to $65. If you want to know which stocks I have invested in, please comment down. I will make the next video on the stocks that I have already invested.
Hey guys, I don't usually do this even though I say this every video, but if you could like or subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it.